Alright, we're about to light the finale up right here, so if I die doing this, just tell my kids that it was awesome. Mad dog, this bad boy right here. I told Tom it was too ballsy to add it, but he said no way. Here's the moment everyone's been waiting for. We're about to come. This is a moment we've been waiting for weeks. People have been talking about this. We're gonna just douse this baby up. It's not like this takes years of practice to be able to do this. How much skill and jumps and it's like for 7 years.
This is all gonna explode at once.
Watch out.
Guys.
Alright, we survived it. Every single one went up with us, so. Alright, we're bringing out the big guns now. I got the American Eagle down here. He's going in the back.
You want to put them right there?
Yeah, let's stagger them. It'll probably be better. Yeah.
I got these two in the front. Right. I'm gonna go here, 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 and then.
Then I'll light it off.
Light this guy.
You want to go like 4-second staggers?
Right.
This is pretty sweet. Let's go 3 seconds on the front, 2 in the middle, then we'll wait 4 for the grand finale. This guy will last probably a decent amount of time. Right. Yeah, if you want, we can light the 2, then go to the back, and then just kick it up with the middle guy.
Alright, wait.
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna do this. Alright, I'm gonna do these 2 and then this one. And then once I have all these lit,
alright.
Wait right before this one goes, light that one.
How many seconds should I wait for?
I don't know how many seconds, just watch it. Do you got a lighter?
Yeah.